Okay, everyone, never tamper with fire alarms in public buildings and in other people's houses. That is a big no no. Because fire alarms are not toys, they are very serious life safety devices that alert people when there is a fire inside the building and they must evacuate the building immediately, and also alert the fire department to come and put that fire out. So this saves buildings from being burnt to the ground as well. So this is why fire alarms are not something to be messed with in a public building. Now, I am going to talk about why fire alarms are not something to be messed with in somebody else's house. Even if you are going to somebody else's house and they have fire alarms in their house, you still do not tamper with them because those are not your fire alarms. Only do it with your own fire alarms at home. What am I talking about when I say never tamper with fire alarms? Never screw or unscrew them, never take them off the wall, never take them off the ceiling, never write or draw on them, never take the fire lettering off of them, never take the logo off of them, never adjust the volume, the pattern, the candela or tone on them, never put tape over the sounder, never take the sounder or strobe out of them, never disable the sounder or strobe on them. With a EST Genesis device, never cross out or rip out the running man escaping from the fire image on them. Never pull fire alarms for fun, and never mess around with the fire alarm control panel. Fire alarm systems are not something to be messed with ever. If you mess with fire alarm systems, you will get into very serious trouble, you will get fined, and you will get arrested by the police because that is endangering people's lives. And that is a very serious felony. My fire alarms are not ever to be tampered with unless I give you permission to do so, but if I don't, you leave them alone. When you are in my house and you go back home, please do not take my alarms with you. You leave my alarms here. That is absolutely not okay at all. I have no tolerance for people taking my alarms home with them. This is very serious. Goodbye.